know around 330 kilometers of road is fully constructed with various facilities like social amenities along the road. We have schools that have also been improved under this specific project, hospitals. We also have support on the market for cattle for this community. We have bridges that are challenged then but now have been resolved. And of course the entire town now has a facelift that everyone do appreciate, including the lighting system. Because we are a community, those living around the border, it's a question of when it shall be addressed. Whether it is addressed under this or the Sudanese link, it is still a connectivity for the two communities. So I would just desire that they live in peace and give the two governments an opportunity to resolve that matter.